This here is the ONEPWR Cordless Bagged Vacuum by Hoover. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Here's what it looks like in the box. Not much padding, if anything. Just this. Contains the extra bags. The handle. Set it aside for a second. Comes with 2 batteries. Lithium ion. Charger. There's a commercial. This is basically the residential version of the commercial version of this. Because my night cleaning job, we have a commercial version of this. It's black and red, or black and orange. And the battery is the size of a VHS tape. The batteries are this thick, but they're the size of a VHS tape. So, it's obviously designed to last longer. This is just for residential, so it lasts about a half hour. I'll go ahead and unboxing it and assemble it. Alright, here it is out of the box. It's pretty much like 99% assembled. All you gotta do is just take this handle, slide it into here. Until it locks into place. Then take this. Until it locks. This is your power cord. And snap into that. Just like that. This is where the battery goes. Same on the commercial unit. Battery goes in the front too. Comes the protective film. Fully charged before use. Battery 20% charged. So I'll go ahead and charge one of these up. And when it's fully charged, we will come back and give this thing a test spin. Alright, it's plugged in and charging. As you can see, it's got indicators, 4 indicators to tell you the battery length or how fully charged it is. So it's like 1, and it's flashing for 2. So I'll let you know how much charge you got left. Alright, battery's charged. Just slides in, snaps in. Board's looking a bit dirty. Just press it down, fold back. Want carpet, so all the way. See what happens. You can actually see the grooves in the carpet. Fluffs it up too. So it's a cordless vacuum that actually works. I was looking at stick vacuums, but they're not that powerful. So, look at that now. Nice and clean. This is all the carpet I have. It's just this room, that landing, that room, and the stairs. And that landing. That's all the carpet is. The rest of it's all hardwood. I have a cordless, not cord, I have a bagless corded vacuum, but it's buried in the closet downstairs, and it's a bitch to get out. You gotta take the whole closet out to access it. And I got a Bissell Zing. That's a piece of shit. So this is a bagged. This is just like their commercial one, except the battery is a 40 volt, and it's like the entire width of this. So, obviously hardwood probably turns the brushes off. Carry handle here. And the commercial ones that work, the common thing that breaks is this handle. Because the bag, they don't empty the bag, so you got all that weight, then this snaps off. I've had to replace one of these once. This is the residential version. The commercial one obviously doesn't have the headlight. Now there's really no difference between the two. Other than the commercial one has like 2 speeds. This one you got carpet and hard floor. I got this from JK18 in exchange for a big ticket item I bought him. And he offered to go half on it. So I was like, well, you can give me half or give me this thing. I've been looking for a cordless vacuum for a while, but I just didn't like the stick vacuums, and I saw this one. And it was equal to almost half the price of the item. So, I'm not going to say what the item is yet because he hasn't released the video on it. So, it's still a secret. I think only one other person knows exactly what it is that I got him. No one else knows yet. So, I'm going to keep it hush-hush. But thank you to JK18, it does work. That's good enough for what I need it for.